Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily delete project in ClickUp. First things first, we have to log in into our ClickUp account, and what we see is our workspace. We have all the projects, all the tasks in here. So if you want to delete any of it, for example this project number 2, which is basically there's nothing in it, it's not good for the eyes, let's say, we can get rid of it. Or in your case, if you find out that some of the projects are not worth archiving, you just need to delete it, you can easily can. So let's click on the project number 2, and there are these 3 dots of folder settings. Last option, or second to last, is delete. We hit the delete option and it will be deleted. We can still reverse the action, it's not a big problem, but you see the project number 2 is now restored. So let's go to let's go to our space, and just like this you see that you can easily bring back and delete all the stuff that you deleted before. So that's about it guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.